Welcome back to my mixology channel. As you can see, guys, I'm on my patio. As you can see, yeah, tiki bar, guys, tiki bar. So we're gonna make some pina colada today. 90 degrees outside, really hot. Okay, so what we're gonna start with, some pina colada today, right here. We're gonna take the cover off right here for you. As you can see, we got some fresh pineapple right here. Fresh the pineapple right here. Put some fresh pineapple inside. Then we go right ahead. We get some colada mix right here. We just put it inside just like this. Pina colada, 90 degrees outside. Some pineapple juice. We go right ahead. Pineapple juice just like this inside. 3 ounces of pineapple juice is perfect. Okay. And we go right ahead here and we get our coconut rum. We put 2 ounces of coconut rum just like this inside. Right. And then right now we're gonna put it, we're gonna blend it up, alright? Get it frozen, get it ready. Right here, as you can see, we got our pina colada. Our pina colada, we got our pineapple right here. Got that ready to pour inside. We want it nice and frozen. Alright? Alrighty, here we go. Right here we got our pina colada right here. Pour it inside. Just like this. Alrighty. And we go right ahead and we take like 1 ounce of dark rum and we just float it on the top just like this. Alrighty. Okay. And here you have tropical pina colada. You know what? I'm so hot, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna taste it. Guys, this is so delicious. Thank you once again for visiting my channel, and you can follow me on Instagram at mixology640. Enjoy your pina colada. Thank you.